Thank you, you brought the newspaper. Holy crap. I wonder how much snow there actually is. Should put socks on. Wow.
Well over a foot. That's at least a foot and a half.
That's like 4 feet back there. You couldn't find Matthew if he stood under there. These drifts are amazing.
That's like, that's getting close to like 2 feet.
Look back here.
Like at least a foot and a half.
Let me see. Hi, Matthew. Okay. Hey, there's blacktop. And no blacktop. Oh, God. Wow, look at that.
This is what I mean. Right here, I'm like, holy crap.
And we can't at all open our gate, because that's like 2 feet, or get out that back door. Oh my gosh. So I can't show you the backyard, because you can't get there. Holy crap.
Look at this.
How tall is that?
Probably 3 feet.
Wow.
Right around 3.
That's impressive. Okay. Yeah. It's fluffy. Yeah, I heard.
Today's gonna be a long day.
Dear God. Look at how far down that goes. It's like, oh my Lord. I want to fall. Wow. Good morning, everyone. Have fun shoveling. And there's Matthew. He's mad because he wants to go outside. I gotta go get him ready.